Okay, so first go to the Kali website from the link provided in the description and scroll down until you see Virtual Machines option. And because we are using VirtualBox in this example, we are going to download version that is tailored for the software. Once file is downloaded, simply double-click on it to load this in the VirtualBox. You can change the installation path. In my case, I changed it to the different drive as I have more space over there. As you can see, all of the settings are predefined, but don't worry as you can always come back to them later on. Now click on the import and the installation process will begin. After installation is done, you can run through the settings again and change the name of the machine from the default one. In the System tab, you can tweak settings for the memory and for the processors. One note here, I would suggest to use machine with predefined settings at first, as they should be good enough for the machine to run smoothly. Under Network tab, make sure that the option Enable Network Adapter is checked, as that will grant internet access for the virtual machine. Once we are happy with all of the settings, we can simply click on the Start and wait for the machine to load. Now, when presented with this dialog box, click on the first one and then confirm mouse capture. Next, we need to wait a few minutes for the machine to load all of the necessary components. When machine is loaded for the first time, it will ask you for the login and the password. Use Kali for both. Now give yourself a few more minutes and machine will be loaded and ready to use. What you can do now is to click on the view in the settings bar and select full screen mode for the better experience. Congratulations! You now have fully loaded Kali Linux operating system on your VirtualBox. Enjoy your hacking! And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and I see you in the next one.